Hi, I'm Günter Umbach. During my consulting work for the healthcare industry during the last 16 years, I've come to realize that many big and small companies are facing similar challenges in the communication aspect of their marketing strategies. Thus, different departments often have vastly different viewpoints regarding both the optimal communication strategy and the tactics to be put in place in a competitive marketplace. The question is, what are the hallmarks of effective communication? Well, in my opinion, the following 7 key points need to be clarified to achieve an effective communication with prospects and with customers. 1. Target group. Identify the customer. 2. Unmet need. Understand the problem. 3. Attention. Arouse interest. 4. The benefit. Offer a solution. 5. Superiority. Show your unique value. 6. Validation. Support with reference or story. And 7. Behavior. Ask for action. The question then is, what are the measures of success? May I suggest 3 items? 1. You develop a more convincing communication. 2. You convey product benefits in a clearer way. 3. You support your marketing and your sales force more effectively. And finally, the question is, what is the resulting value? Here are 3 points. 1. You help healthcare professionals make better decisions. 2. You realize the potential of your existing product portfolio. And 3. You strengthen the platform for higher market share and higher revenue. Maybe you're looking for someone that can help you translate your product attributes into clear and compelling benefits using engaging copywriting that will inspire your customers to take action, that will get you results. Well, you may want to consider writing an email to umbach@umbachpartner.com.